Welcome to our comprehensive guide on how to use the Navy Federal Secured Credit Card. This card is designed for individuals who are looking to establish or rebuild their credit. And it offers a range of benefits and features that can help you achieve your financial goals. To get started, you will need to apply for the Navy Federal Secured Credit Card. This involves submitting an application and providing the required documentation, such as proof of identity and income. Once your application is approved, you will need to fund your security deposit, which will determine your credit limit. The next step is to activate your card and set up your online account. This will allow you to manage your account, make payments, and monitor your credit score. It is essential to make your payments on time, as this will help you build a positive credit history and improve your credit score. One of the key benefits of the Navy Federal Secured Credit Card is that it reports to all three major credit bureaus, which means that your payment history will be reflected on your credit report. This can help you establish a positive credit history and improve your credit score over time. To get the most out of your Navy Federal Secured Credit Card, it is essential to use it responsibly. This means making your payments on time, keeping your credit utilization ratio low, and avoiding unnecessary purchases. You should also monitor your credit score regularly and adjust your spending habits accordingly. In addition to the benefits mentioned above, the Navy Federal Secured Credit Card also offers a range of other features, such as zero liability protection and travel assistance. These features can provide you with added peace of mind and protection when using your card. To summarize, using the Navy Federal Secured Credit Card is a straightforward process that involves applying for the card, funding your security deposit, activating your card, and making responsible payments. By following these steps and using your card responsibly, you can establish a positive credit history, improve your credit score, and achieve your financial goals. Remember to always use your card wisely and make informed decisions about your spending habits to get the most out of your Navy Federal Secured Credit Card.